stealing food again, eh? Put it back! Put it back!
Well, if it isn't my little pal, my dear little friend, my dear little friend.
Hey, take it easy, will you? Don't eat me! Don't eat me!
Eat you? Oh, I wouldn't eat you. You're my pal, my very best pal. Oh, make yourself right at home, and I'll get you something to eat.
I don't understand it. There's something screwy about this.
La 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 la.
And now for some dessert. Oh, excuse me, I'll be right back.
La 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 la.
Why, this is what I call living.
La 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 la.
Where am I? What happened?
Did you hurt yourself, pal?
Pal? You're no pal of mine. You're a mouse. And I hate mice.
Hey, cut it out, will you? Cut it out!
Where have you been? Where have you been? Let's dance, you and I, cheek to cheek. What do you say? Let's dance.
I don't get it. He's crazy.
Where am I?
You feeling better, pal? gonna send you on a nice long vacation.
Oh, swell. Lovely, lovely, grand, peachy, swell. How'd I see you?